Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change the homepage in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's super useful to be able to go and do this because maybe you want to go and have a different starting page. So first of all, go to the top right of Chrome and click on the three dots and go down on the right and click on Settings. Then all you need to do is go over to the left and click on Startup. And what you want to do is you've got three different options here. Open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. So what you can then do is click on Add a new page and you can go and type in the URL for example. The URL I used is my YouTube channel. I'll then press Add and it's now been added, and then what I'll do is I'll just delete the other one by clicking on the three dots and pressing Remove. Now when I go and open up Chrome, I'll go and insert this profile. As you can see, I'm taken straight to my channel, and so that's it. I hope you get the idea. If you found this useful and you want to go and see more guides just like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a ton more to come.